Hello everyone, today is a very special day for me because I got a beautiful gift from my brother. His name is Goku, and he's an amazing junior. We've been connected from almost like 2 to 3 years, like a very good bonding as a brothers we used to have. And normally, whenever I'm angry with him, his one biggest answer would be about bring a gift to make me happy. I'm so sweet guy. Irrespective of how much ever I have anger towards him, I pretend that okay, I'm not going to speak to you. But then he'll be like, okay, Pawan, please. And that's his beauty. And so I was not talking to him for a couple of days, and then he suddenly bought me this beautiful gift. Not sure what it is, but I'm going to unbox. And I'm going to show you how it is written. And so it's written over here like to my elder brother Pawan from your dear brother Goku. All right, I will just open it up. This is something I'll preserve it always. I love it. I think he's the entire craft. The gift wrapping which he's done, it's actually done by his own hand. It's very visibly, and wow. Okay. Some people you have build memories with are like literally awesome. You try to create with a person. Wow, I got something very nice. Place which I really love visiting. I do dream that I wanted to visit this place in Coimbatore, and I die, irrespective of anyone who's in Tamil Nadu, my first question to them is, where do you go to Isha Foundation? I was not able to go. But this is so sweet, and I really love. Wow. Okay, let me just. Oh, wow. This is so nice. I love it. Wow, I love it. I'm a huge devotee of Lord Shiva, and he knows for the fact only one way which he can make me happy is through this. Wow, this is so nice, so beautiful. Wow, I just love it, yeah. This looks so nice. This just looks so beautiful. Wow, I really love it. Wow, it's just invoking my spiritual energy within me. But I will surely use it for all my spiritual practices. Thank you, Goku, for this amazing gift. And speaking about him, he's like literally an amazing guy, very good brother. And sometimes he doesn't pick the call. That makes me like a little more annoyed. Like, why is he not picking the call? Because we build friendship with two kinds of friendship I create. One is like in a friendship level, one is like a brotherhood. So when we create a brotherhood level, when he does not respond, I just pinch him out. You know why? Because I know for the fact he's also very busy. I know for the fact he's also very much occupied, and that's the beauty of him. But he's a very amazing guy in terms of leadership, his qualities, his everything. It's just like very, but sometimes like I just show that stubbornness. Okay, I'm not going to talk to you. Go, and then he just comes behind me. That's the beauty of him. Sometimes I don't respond to his message when I'm angry, and he knows for the fact when I'm angry, when I'm not angry, and when he feels annoyed, I get to know about him. Okay, because I'm just spiritual, I can understand when somebody thinks, and that it's like so fun, but it's so sweet. I'm just so happy. Thank you so much for this amazing gift. I really love it. In fact, actually, there was a small idol. This one, and I actually genuinely wanted this from a long period of time. This looks so beautiful. Thank you. I really love it. And I hope all of you who's watching this video, I think it's okay sometimes to forget the people, and it's okay not just because somebody's giving you a gift. It's because I think if there's a good bond, nurture it. It should be from both sides. It should never be from one side. It should be always from both sides. When we hear in the small fights, we would always have one person in your life. Never try to be alone, because being alone in life is like it's awful. And you should always try growing up with others. Make everyone good bond. Create like a family. Always show some kind of caring. I know for the fact everyone is busy, but always try to find out time for another person. Whenever you fight with another person, give them something. And when I used to be angry with him, I said to him once, I'm not going to talk, and he felt really bad. I had to give him gift. That means, okay, you mean value for me, but along with that, appreciate every memories, because life is not short here. You have to make sure that when you grow, you're also taking 10 other people along with you, and create that family circle. And certain relationships in your life, you're never supposed to lose. Because sometimes in life, we feel like we're so alone. But in order to overcome that, it's very much important that we try to create an amazing bonding with the people we like. That's all for today's video. And thank you, Goku, for this. If you do like this video, please do like, share, subscribe. Love you all. Take care.